In today's video, I want to share how I spend my day repairing my small generator armature in a machine shop. I visited a machine shop today to repair my generator armature. My armature has a problem. I want to replace the bearing. So the new bearing that I bought, there is clearance between the shaft and the armature shaft and the bearing. So I took it to the machine shop. They feel the bearing, they feel the shaft, and we are trying to fix the bearing. After filling the shaft need to be machined with a lathe machine so that we can fix the bearing. That is how I spend my day today. You can see the bearing. We are trying to fix the bearing. The machinist is trying to fix the bearing, but the bearing, the shaft is still too big. It needs to be loosened a bit so that the bearing can fitted into the shaft, can be fixed to the shaft. So I really enjoy my day. I see how they set up the machine shop. There's lathe machine, there is drilling machine, and there is a generator that is powering the lathe machine. As you can see, that is how the machinist is working on the armature. You can see the armature as is revolving on the lathe machine. The guy is very careful because the shaft must not be too less or too high for the bearing. If the shaft is too less or too bearing, the bearing might be wobbling, and that might create a kind of noise which can later affect the bearing in the future or affect the bearing housing. And in this type of engine model, the housing is aluminium, so that will really affect the engine housing and to damage both the bearing and the housing and the bearing. Not only that, if the bearing is wobbling, that will affect the free coil. When the armature bearing is wobbling, that will affect the free coil. It can burn the free coil, and that will make me to spend unnecessary money on the generator. It's a small generator, it's a fuel generator that I just take it down there to be fixed. So you can enjoy the video as the video is going on.